Hello. In this tutorial, I'll be showing how to use emailspooftest.com to test which email security settings in your inbox are functioning. Being shown on screen now is where you'll land when first visiting emailspooftest.com. The first step is to enter an email address you have access to. This test won't be much help if you cannot see which emails made it into your inbox. After entering the email you'd like to test, you have the option of changing the sending email server using the drop-down menu below the email input box. For the second step, you just have to click the Send Test button. After clicking Send Test, the security console on the right will show you which of the 10 emails were able to send and where they were sent from. If an email was not able to send, it will tell you here as well. After sending your 10 test emails, we need to move to the scorecard where we can fill in your test results. You do this by clicking the spoof scorecard link inside the security console. The spoof scorecard link will bring you to this page. We'll need to fill out each section corresponding to the numbered emails we get in our inbox. So the next step is to check our inbox for which emails got through. Here is a temporary email I used for this tutorial. I got emails 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Each email has some information about why you should or shouldn't receive it in your inbox, and some tips on what you need to do to correct the issue. Now we have to switch back to our scorecard and fill it out. Here I've filled out whether each email either landed in my inbox, my junk folder in my inbox, or was rejected by my inbox. After filling out each email result, you just have to click the Get Results button. After clicking the Get Results button, the scorecard will show you if you passed or failed the test for each email. It will tell you what needs to be done to correct the issue for failed tests. Just by looking at the results, I can see that the test email service I used enforces DKIM controls, but doesn't have any other working security controls. The next step for you would be to configure your security controls, then try the test again to see if the controls you just implemented are working correctly.